Class, in this, you'll be doing IT 105 Lesson 5 assignment, the last assignment. Congratulations on your last assignment. The first step is to open up PB31 Apply from the student data file. So you can get the student data files from this website here. I'll leave that up for a minute. And you simply click on Student Data Files and you save the data file. I've already saved it and I put it on the desktop, and I'll also include that in the lesson 5 deliverables. So you'll have that. So the first step is open this, and then we're going to save it as I'm going to save it to my desktop, and it wants us to do name A because there's an A and a B. Annual Schmeling. Always put your last name in there so I know who you are. I'll save it to the desktop. So we've done the first step and we've done the second step. Step 3 is to change the template to Congratulations 1. And to change the template, all we do is with the file open, we click on Page Design. We click on Change Template, and it tells us in the book, you will find the template in Greeting Cards, All Occasions, and Events folder. So there's the occasion and the events folder, right? All occasions and events. And we want to change it to Congratulations 1. All right, so we're going to apply the template to the current publication. Okay, so we've done step 1, 2, and 3. Okay, staying in that same tab, we're going to do step 4. Let's change the color scheme to ocean and the font scheme to binary. So to change our color scheme to ocean, we click here and we simply select ocean. And then our font scheme should be Verta binary or binary. And this is actually, it was pretty hard to find, but you're going to look for Verta, Georgia, and binary all together. And there it is, binary, Verta, or Verdana in Georgia. Okay, so when you find that, you know you found it. It was pretty difficult to navigate through. I couldn't find it at first. I went in output quarter, but I was able to find it then. So look for those, Verdana, Georgia, and binary. 5, we're going to verify that the sheet page size is set to quarter sheet top fold. So we go to same tab, size, and we don't see quarter sheet top fold. But if we look at page setup, we could see that the layout type is folder card and it's set to quarter sheet top fold. So that is okay. Okay, the next step is to change the layout to art bit, and simply the easiest way to do that is click on the change template, and here in the bottom corner you'll see that art bit. So we're going to make sure that we're in art bit. You can also verify the quarter sheet side fold is there as well, and that should be top fold, right? So we'll just go ahead and change those two items. We'll click OK. It changed the template on me, that's why I didn't accept that. Notice we're in birthday one. I wanted to make sure we're still on the congratulations one. Okay, apply. So I didn't hit apply there because of the changing of the picture, and it looks like okay, folks. So our page 1 has been completed there. Just to review, we could set all those setups right here. Congratulations, ocean, right? Binary, Verta, Georgia, quarter sheet top fold, and art bit. Looks like I rolled it. So okay, so all of them can be set there, or the ways that I did it previously. We're going to go ahead and go to page 2. We're going to open that up, And the first thing it wants us to do in step 8 is it wants us to go to suggested view dialog box, click category drop down arrow, and then click anniversary. So on the page design tab, we're going to click on options. There's our suggested verse dialog box. We're going to click on anniversary, and it says anniversaries come around once a year is our selection, and then we click OK. Here in step 9, it wants us to edit this sentence right here on page 3 to say, we made a note of it. And all I did was I just clicked on that area, I highlighted the sentence, or I typed over those words. Okay, on step 11 and step 12, we're just going to continue to type some more things here. And it just says, after you modify that sentence, select enter and type in, sentence, then select enter and type in some more items. So I'm going to go ahead and type those in. I'm going to pause the video while that's being conducted. You can also do that as well. To verify what it should look like page 299. You'll see that page 3 being modified. So I'll go ahead and type those things in now, and then I'll come back. I finished all the typing there on page 3. It looks like on the one of the sentences you need to put your name, so from your name, not first name, last name, as it's saying in the book. Okay, so that step is done. That was step 11 and 12. We're going to go ahead and to step 13 on page 4. It wants us to put today's date, and you could simply do that in whatever format. You could put August 5th, 2017. You could put whatever the date is there. Just simply click on it and highlight it like I did and put today's date. Next, it wants us to check the spelling of our document, and we can do that by simply going to review and click on spelling, and we're going to check the spelling, and that came out good, right? We could verify by going each page, but it does do a thorough check. So we did check the spelling there. That was step 4. Next is step 15. We're going to save the document. We're going to save it as we've already put in PB31 apply A with our underscore name, and we're going to click save. Okay, now we're going to close that document. That's it for part A. Part B is not required, as it asks you to do a quarter top fold card from a previous lesson. But I will go ahead and show you how to do that. So I'm going to close it out here, and we'll do part 2 with B, which is making the envelope for the card. Okay, remember, this is all that's due in the assignment, just part A. Thanks.